How to remove age restriction on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove age restriction on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes whenever you're browsing through TikTok, some kind of content will say that this is actually age restricted, and let's say that you want to get recommended all of those contents. In that case, the very first thing, the reason is because your account is most likely underage, and because if your account is underage, you will not be able to view some of the content setting. But before we get to that part, there's also another thing that you can tweak within this TikTok app. For that, come to your profile page, tap on the three bars on the top right corner, go to the option called settings and privacy at the bottom. Here you want to go to the option that says content preferences, and you can see the option called restriction mode. You want to make sure that restricted mode is actually turned off, because if you're underage, sometimes this option could be turned on by default. So you want to make sure to turn it off, and this will not restrict any of the content you see on TikTok. Once you've done so, if you're still facing the error after refreshing and everything, it could be because your TikTok account is most likely underage, and for that you have to change the age, which means you have to change your date of birth. And keep in mind, it's not easy as you think to change the date of birth on TikTok. You have to actually go through all the verification process. If you didn't pay much attention to it when you created a TikTok account and now you're regretting it, keep in mind that if your real age is actually not up to the age on TikTok, you will not be able to go ahead and verify it, because TikTok will require you for a verification process. It's not easy as you do in Snapchat and Facebook. So tap on the three bars on the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, scroll down, select report a problem. Again, tap on the edit button on the top right, and again you have to simply enter your feedback to TikTok, claiming that you want to change your date of birth. You're ready for any type of verification processes such as documentation and anything. TikTok is going to take that into account, get back to you with the procedure to change the date of birth. However, if this is all a hassle for you, and if you just created your TikTok account, I'll just recommend you to actually create a new TikTok account by going ahead and then updating your date of birth. So just go ahead and create a new account with an updated date of birth. Make sure it's not under 18 or under 16 years old. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.